The most important thing when choosing a real estate professional is to find someone you can trust. I have a history of success and integrity in real estate that you can depend on, and I look forward to working with you in the near future. Furnished, 4 bedrooms, 2 ensuite units, 3-bath home with living and a large family rooms with a small enclosed patio attached, large inside laundry room with additional storage area, separate paved lanai and caged, heat pump 2019, heated pool, decorative fireplace ready for an electric insert, not wood burning, terrazzo floors, double car garage width but with a single garage door so there is plenty of room for motorcycle, golf car parking or use extra space for workshop/storage, second door could be easily added. No HOA or CDDs. The AC system was replaced in 2015. The yard is fenced. There are 2 water heaters for each section of the house and the roof was done in 2019.